Hello my dear students, welcome to one more amazing session from Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. We are here to discuss about the most amazing and interesting things and most expected questions for organic chemistry. So we are very short span of time before your examination. I don't want to kill your time. We are not promoting anything in this channel and we are just delivering the genuine academic content, and without delay we shall start most expected multiple choice question from the organic chemistry. In the organic chemistry you will be having so many fears, so many problems like I can't attack this organic chemistry questions. It shouldn't be like that. So I want to bring you very good important expected organic chemistry questions. Ashish Burman, let us start the question number 1. So those students who are online, please attack the question so that you will understand whether you did correct or wrong. We will understand, and if you write the correct answer, it will be right. If it is not right, don't worry, I am going to correct you. Fine. So when ethyl alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, the product obtained. Hello, hard working, preparing for your NEET exam. Okay, come on Burman, iska answer kya hoga? That's fine. Ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH when it is treated with what is thionyl chloride? What is the formula of thionyl chloride? SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine. Arey beta, it is a Darjan reaction. You are going to get ethyl chloride CH3 CH2Cl plus HCl. Iska HCl is going to be absorbed by the pyridine, which is a base. So option 2 is going to be D, and sulfur dioxide. Among all conversion to alcohol to alkyl chloride, thionyl chloride is the best suitable reagent because the HCl and SO2 that is formed and the side product is going to be expelled away, right? Hi Sunil. So come on, next one more question. This question option B is going to be correct answer. No, C2H5 both are same, na? Both are same. Right. One more question here, bacho. Hello brother, hi. So the decreasing order of reactivity when alcohol react with alkyl halide. So it is going to give rise alcohol with HX gives rise alkyl halide with H2O, and the reactivity of this is going to be HI more reactive than HBr, more reactive than HCl, more reactive than HF. So the order for this question is going to be option A is the correct answer for this question. Bacho, Sunil. Okay, let us see some more questions. It's a rapid fire questions. When you open your NCERT textbook, all these reactions are well defined, it is given to you, right? And whatever the question you are going to expect in NEET examination, all questions are related to NCERT only. But questions are given sometimes in a tricky manner. We are going to discuss in due course of this. Every day, please attend our class. However, the busy schedule, I am coming for you and I am teaching you, and you are preparing for your NEET examination. Your time is also very valuable. So I don't want to just give you some time pass kind of things here. The questions, you practice it. Say an example, this session how it is going to be useful, I will tell you. You want to take a model paper or a test paper, mock test paper. You attempt it or just go through question and answer as it is. It may take some time, but in this session, we are going to give the same questions, and in this same question, we are giving you the actual explanation how to attack the question as well. So come on. What is the answer? 2-bromopentane is heated with potassium ethoxide and ethanol. The major product formed is. So who is going to give the answer for this question? Come on. Answer. Yeah. 2-bromopentane. This is your pentane. When it is treated with potassium ethoxide, So C2H5OK and the presence of C2H5OH. So this is your potassium ethoxide. The major product, so whenever this is used, it says that it is an elimination reaction. When elimination reaction takes place, what rule we have to use? Somebody please tell in the chat box. Elimination reaction, the product is given according to which rule? So there are two rules in the organic chemistry generally, Markovnikov rule and Saidjev rule. So Markovnikov rule is used for addition reaction and Saidjev rule is used for elimination reaction. What Saidjev rule says? During elimination reaction, the product that is formed is going to be the most stable alkene. So in the beta elimination takes place, from the beta, hydrogen is eliminated from the carbon which bears the least number of hydrogens on it. So you are going to get the product like this. So the answer is going to be the most stable, the most stable. So I want to say here pent 1-ene or pent 2-ene, no, it is going to be trans pent 2-ene, it is going to be C, it is going to be C. If it is a tertiary butoxide, potassium tertiary butoxide, TBuOK, so bulky base half band product are supposed to be formed. So I want to say option C. So what Sunil is given the correct answer. I really appreciate it. And now let us see one more in the following sequence of reaction. Sequence based reactions or route mapping questions you can say. It is prone in the organic chemistry NEET examination paper 2026. You can expect this type of questions. So bacho, come on. 1 bromopropane alcoholic KOH, you are going to get a CH3 and a CH double bond CH2. It is going to be Saidjev product. एक ही product है. Saidjev product है. एक ही product. If you add HBr, you are going to get CH3, CH and CH3. Now I am using Markovnikov rule. I am using Markovnikov rule, right? When I use a Markovnikov rule, you are going to get a 2 bromopropane and aqueous KOH, you are going to get CH3, CH and CH3 and OH. So it is going to be substitution nucleophilic reaction. So I want to say C is going to be propan to all. My answer is going to be option A. Any doubt, bacho? Come on. So no sorries, only answers and doubts clarification will be there in the class. Expecting only doubts from you. For any help, you can just in the chat box, in the pinned messages, you can get a call back. And we are from Infinity Lane Sri Chaitanya Academy YouTube channel. We are going to help you for the best for NEET preparation, after NEET also, till your final medical college journey, dream medical college journey, will be extending our support. So believe in us, please like the session, share with your friends, subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy NEET Infinity Lane channel. Thank you very much, and let us see one more question over here. So 2 bromopentane is heated with, that is already done, okay. Now propinon passing through red hot iron tube at high temperature, what you are going to get, Sunil? Ashish? Okay, so Sunil, I'm missing your answers. I'm missing your answers. That's good. Propyne. So actually you see CH triple bond CH, when it is passed through red hot copper tube, you are going to get a benzene. Remember, cyclic polymerization takes place. When you talk about the propyne CH3, C triple bond CH, and you just see here, and red hot copper tube, the product that you are going to be CH3 trimethylbenzene is going to be formed. This is called mesitylene. This is what is called as a mesitylene. Option 1 is the correct answer. Whenever you solve a question, you solve, hi Chinmay, you solve in such a way that meticulously solve it. Don't give, never and ever give hasty answers. Okay? It is going to be option 1, Chinmay, it is going to be option 1. So, you said it is a benzophenone, please correct yourself, and this answer is going to be first option, right? And one more, this is the one more. Questions coming like this, questions going like this, okay? Now, most basic compound in the following. The most basic compound, basic strength is directly proportional to electron releasing group. Basic strength is inversely proportional to electron withdrawing group, right? So, aniline is the base, aniline is the base, it is having a positive mesomeric effect, and aniline, it is going to be electron withdrawing group and it is a negative inductive effect. Whenever halogens comes, it is electron withdrawing group, and aniline, it is going to be negative mesomeric effect. So, positive electron releasing, negative electron withdrawing. Whenever inductive effect and mesomeric effect is there, you have to just give a priority to the mesomeric effect than inductive effect. और एक चीज़ है, whenever halogen comes, halogen powerful negative inductive effect, weak mesomeric effect. You understand? So, Chinmay, come on, the answer is going to be absolutely correct. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay? So, getting ready for one more question here, the correct order of easiness of dehydration of alcohol in acidic medium. Who will give the answer? When you talk about the alcohol or CH2OH, so it is going to be acid catalyzed, so that this OH is a poor leaving group, you are going to get a protonated alcohol that can be easily dehydrated. When it is easily dehydrated, you are going to get a carbocation. Mean to say, whenever ease of dehydration is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. So, that is a fundamental rule. So, let us follow this. If that is the case, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. So, if that is the case, I would like to say option 2 is the correct answer. Chinmay, correct. Okay, Sunil, what's your answer here? So, Chirag, that's good. Now, one more question. This given compound can be prepared by here Wurtz reaction, Fittig reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction, Sandmeyer reaction. What could be the answer for this question? What could be the answer for this question? So, what is a Wurtz reaction? Whenever RCl and RCl is treated with sodium metal, okay, you are going to get R and R. This is alkane. So, this reaction is called as Wurtz reaction. Similarly, you just take cyclohexyl chloride and cyclohexyl chloride when it is treated with the sodium metal in dry ether. Somebody tell me why dry ether is used. Comment box. So NaCl is eliminated, so that what will happen? You are going to get dicyclohexane compound. So this is not biphenyl. So answer for this question is going to be Wurtz reaction, not Fittig reaction. It is going to be Wurtz reaction. If it is a benzene, you have to get Fittig reaction. Fine. The difference between the Wurtz and Fittig reaction is this aromatic and aliphatic. Fine, bacho? Come on. Don't say it's B, Chinmay here. Okay. Which of the following compounds can be oxidized most easily with alkaline KMnO4? It's prevents backward reaction. No, Chinmay. Sodium dry ether is used because the if little bit moisture is there, sodium is going to get reacted with the moisture, so that sodium cannot release the electron to provide the free radicals. So it is compulsory we have to use dry ether as a solvent, just like a tetrahydrofuran. You can also use diethyl ether, right? So what's the answer for this question? So whenever KMnO4 is used, oxidation takes place. Oxidation takes place. Oxidation for tertiary hydrogen is more reactive than secondary hydrogen is more reactive than primary hydrogen. Oxidation means oxygen introduced between carbon and hydrogen. So that tertiary hydrogen, this is when it is treated with KMnO4 in alkaline media. If you don't use acidic media, if you use acidic media, tokda ho jayega molecule. It can be sliced like anything. So the product is going to be CH3 and COH and CH3, and it is going to be CH3. So the answer for this question is going to be option 3. Getting or not clear, bacho? Any doubt? That's fine. So I am expecting questions. So Chinmay, why 1 is given? This looks, it's a trap, it's a trap. This do not undergo oxidation. This do not undergo oxidation. Right. Now moving ahead. Oh yes, key 3 is the answer for this question. Bacho, one more. Question sub, they're coming zoomed. Among the following compounds give carbon dioxide and reaction with sodium bicarbonate. Carboxylic acids gives carbon dioxide when they react with sodium bicarbonate. Phenols, however, they are acidic but do not give carbon dioxide. We are from Sri Chaitanya, Chinmay, that's good. I think grant tests are going on. How you are doing? So please let me know if you have any doubts. So you are going to see this is a phenol, this is a methyl phenol, this is a picric acid, I am going to tell you the valid reasons also. Okay. Carboxylic acids is more reactive, then phenol is more reactive, and in between carbonic acid is going to be more reactive. H2CO3 is more reactive than phenol. As carbonic acid is more reactive than phenol, phenol cannot react with the sodium bicarbonate. What is the logic? I don't understand. If allowed that phenol is reacting with sodium bicarbonate, you are going to get sodium phenoxide and carbonic acid, and this a weak acid and this is a strong acid. So, weak acid can never produce its strong acid. Therefore, equilibrium more is favored in the backward direction. So, reaction आगे बढ़ना मुश्किल है. अगर H2CO3 आ सकता हो तो ये वाला H2O CO2 बनेगा ना. That is the reason why which of the compound gives CO2. Phenols do not give. But a picric acid, due to strong electron withdrawing group, it can give you. So, C only, the option key is going to be 3. You are getting 120 in chemistry, Chinmay, that's good, congratulations. Anuj, how are you? I am waiting for you. You are not coming to my classes nowadays. If everything is going on, please let me know if you have any doubts. Chinmay and Sonali, here name Sonali is given, actually Anuj Gope from Madhya Pradesh. You are attending classes since long time. Come on, what could be the answer for this question? Waiting for your answer. Waiting for your answer, what could be the answer for this question? Here, the major product of the following. Whenever this is reacted with HBr, now let us see a little bit mechanism. Lone pair of electron is given, so that it is a protonated. So, and you are going to see the benzene and CH2 plus and water molecule is eliminated, right? Now, this is a primary carbocation. I wanted to get rearranged here, and this is going to be CH plus and CH3. Secondary carbocation, it is a benzyl secondary carbocation which is very stable. So, this stable carbocation is going to react with Br minus. So, you will be having CH and Br and CH3. Check which product it is. I could say this is electrophilic. So, it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay. Carbocation is reacted. Bhuvanesh. It is going to be fourth option. Correct Chinmay given correct answer. Bhuvanesh is given correct answer. And those students who are online, please keep giving answers. So, I am telling you, I can challenge you. You see the pattern of the question. The same question can be, the same pattern can be given in the NEET examination. Yes or no? So, Chinmay getting 120 in chemistry. Congratulations, congratulations. And you please get 650 plus. So, don't you want to go to AIMS? Try to get into the AIMS. Bacho, come on. Next. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now, the number of structural isomers obtained on monochlorination of methyl cyclohexane. Methyl cyclohexane. Just take a pen and paper, write along with me. What is methyl cyclohexane? This is your cyclohexane, then this is your methyl group. है ना? Do it. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Now this methyl cyclohexane is going to give awesome 5 things. I just want to show you how it can be. So methyl cyclohexane, first methyl cyclohexane, I wanted to write like this. Let me chlorinate it. Let me chlorinate it here. Chlorinated, okay, chlorinated, and it is going to be chlorinated. Fine. You want to chlorinate here, it is going to be like this only, same. So exactly it is going to get a 5. That's good, Bhuvanesh. Happy to see 4 isomers, nahi beta. It is going to be 5 isomers. So proceeding ahead, take a pen and paper. You only have to put the pen on the paper. Unless the chemistry, physics, whatsoever, it won't squeeze the marks. So the game in your life is decided by 3 hours. Believe it, if you do well in these 3 hours, your life is going to take a turn. Otherwise, your life is going to be in different way. So I strongly recommend you do the best. Yes, all the best those students who are online in these last a few days, please be clear and keep your mind cool and don't read anything new, and do good homework and mock test if possible, and eat healthy, stay hydrated, and keep moving here and there, and you need to have a little bit of physical and mental relaxation as well. Fine, let's move one more question here. It is, are the following reaction is an example? Simply say. By looking at this reaction, what you can say this? And this is the one which looks an atom here and there is jumbling. It's a rearrangement reaction. So this is called Beckmann rearrangement. So what this Beckmann rearrangement want to say? It is an oxime. When carbonyl compound is reacted with ammonia, it forms an oxime. This oxime is heated in the presence of an acid. You are going to get amide. This is what is called as Beckmann rearrangement. And Varsha, hi. It's a rearrangement reaction. Nice contribution by the students. Come on, one more major product formed in this reaction. Who is going to tell you? Who is going to tell you major product formed in this reaction? HCl in the presence of peroxide, you want to use anti-Markovnikov rule. You want to use anti-Markovnikov rule. First you say yes or no. You say yes or no. Bhuvanesh, 3, Varsha. Okay. Peroxide effect. Your answer is appreciated. Works only with HBr, but not with HCl. Fine. So you are going to see a carbocation. It may rearrange and Br minus like this. Sorry, it is not Br minus, it is going to be Cl minus. So check your answer here. Check your answer. I would say strongly it is option 3. So terminal halide form, then rearrangements is good. It's not a terminal halide. Halide do not rearrange, carbocation rearrange. Carbocation is going to rearrange. One more question, which of the following alcohol on oxidation with PCC given aldehyde? Primary alcohols when treated with PCC can give rise to aldehyde. Pyridium chlorochromate is a mild oxidizing agent. Remember that. Karash effect and peroxide effect do not work with HCl. Right? Answer is going to be 2 for this question. Any doubt? And moving ahead, RH is this is again root mapping question, bachcho. So nitrobenzene, you are going to get reduced to get aniline, SnCl to SnHCl. NaNO2 HCl, you are going to get benzene diazonium chloride, N2Cl. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with water, just warm it, you will get phenol. So I will get option 1 as an answer. Following or not? So Varsha, that's good, nice. So many questions I prepared. Option 4, nice. It is not. It is a phenol. It's a phenol. One more incorrect statement regarding the given reaction. Reaction is given. You see, toluene treated with the chlorine in the presence of dark orthochloro and parachloro. Chloro compounds can be prepared by this method. Correct statement. You have to identify incorrect statement. Fine. It is an electrophilic substitution reaction, of course. Reaction with iodine is reversible if a halogen is iodine. This is also. And X2 behaves as an electrophile. No. Electrophile here it is going to be if it is a chlorine Cl plus or bromine CBr plus like that. So it is not. So that is the incorrect statement. You have to check which of the following is correct, which of the following is incorrect. Kind of questions are very famous. So option 4 is the correct answer for this question. Fine, that's good. DD. And here acetophenone on reaction with. Actually, what is acetophenone? CH3 So this is going to be acetophenone benzene with C double bond OCH3. This is a ketone. When it is treated with CH3 MgBr, so it is a cation. Grignard reagent is going to be excellent nucleophile, can react here. So followed by reaction, you are going to get OH, CH3 and CH3. So I want to say option 1 is the correct answer for this question. So मेरे जी देना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन मेरे 12th क्लास में केमिस्ट्री को कैसे कंप्लीट करो. साजिद, when you stick to the NCERT में अच्छा करो, JEE मेंस में कम से कम आप कर सकता. ठीक है भुवनेश? Now moving ahead, and every day I'll come, and tomorrow also we'll discuss so many questions, and we are done for today, and we'll meet with more stuff in the next session. And get ready, please like our session, share with your friends, and do the best for your NEET examination. We are all waiting for your best results after examination. So we will be supporting you. These YouTube classes is absolutely free. You come and enjoy the classes, join with us, okay? We will be helping you. So as the time is almost exhausted, we can meet tomorrow, and it's a short session only, everyday short session, and very good and constructive things will do it. Okay, thank you very much, and I'm signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. See you tomorrow. Thank you.